MODEC Connect is very simple. You place this smart sensor on your actuator and that's it. All the technical data from your manual valves is logged in the app on your phone. Over to you. William is the maintenance manager of a factory in the pulp and paper industry. His operators send him all the data on the valves they work on. If there's a problem, William can schedule his team's work with precise instructions. No more lost information. William can see the status of all of his valves in real time. He avoids unnecessary maintenance visits. Jane is a reliability manager who is responsible for equipment reliability at a petrochemical company. She monitors changes in the valves on the different production sites over time. Jane doesn't wait for one of the valves to break. Thanks to the data she has available, she can set up a preventive maintenance schedule. Jane can also use AI to anticipate breakdowns and do preventive maintenance. Since she knows how long it will be until a valve breaks, Jane can plan ahead to replace it and avoid unplanned production shutdowns. Mark is the director of an agency in the water industry. Thanks to automatic reporting, he has records of everything his team does. Mark can prove to his principal and potentially to insurers that all the necessary maintenance work within his scope was completed. MODEC Connect is easy to set up and turns manual valves into connected valves, bringing them into the big data era. Pretty great, right?